Hey guys, it's Ryan with My Listing Club. Today I'm going to be doing another My Listing Q&A video to answer a question brought into our Facebook group from Andrea. And basically what she's looking to do is show her listings on a map, and when you click on those listings on the map, it shows the name and whatever other details you have configured for your listing preview cards. And then she wants to take it another step further, and once you click on those cards, lock those listings down to paying subscribers or just subscribers in general, depending on if you want to monetize or whatever it is that you're looking to do. Typically you click on those links and it takes you to the listing, and then you can view them as usual. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to lock those down easily and for free. Okay, so here I am on the My Listing Club testing site, and if we go to the Explore page, we see we have some listings here and they are showing on a map, and that's all good. And then we click on the listing on the map and it shows the little preview that she was mentioning. And now we click on that and it's going to take you right to that listing. That's all good. That's what we're typically used to seeing. She wants to lock that down and not be able to see these details. Okay, so I'm going to move this to my other screen and we'll get into this. So here I am in the dashboard, and what you're going to do is install this plugin, Content Control. I love this plugin. It is free. It is lightweight. It has excellent support. They should charge for this plugin, even if it's just a little amount, in my opinion. But anyway, you can see tons of perfect ratings. It's got tons of installs, 30,000. It's just really good stuff. So let's go ahead and close this down. So I have the plugin installed, and then we go up under Settings, Content Control, and we have no restrictions in place right now. So I'm going to show you how to easily set that up. We'll click Add a Restriction. Let's call this Listings. And we are going to say that only users that are logged in with this role can see that. So that'll lock down to the administrators. But now let's say you want your paying customers to also be able to see this content. So we're going to check the box for customer, and we'll jump over to the protection side of things. We're going to set up a redirect. So when they hit that listing, they're going to be redirected to a page that throws them into your sales funnel or whatever you want to do there. So we're going to do the redirect. I'm going to specify a specific URL. I'm going to click this little cog icon here. I'm going to browse to my protected content page that I've created. So here's that page. Click Add Link, and then in the content section, we're going to go here, and you may be tempted to just select listing, like right there. There's a little bug that I just made them aware of yesterday, and then today they said they're going to fix it right away. If you just select that, the top level item, it won't work. So what you need to do is just set that and click Add. Go right back into there. Go back to the content. Change that. I guess first you could have just chosen. Let's just pick one. Listing with an ID, and you could have saved that. Then you could have gone back in and just changed that to the top level so it hits all listings. You can actually type into here as well. There we go. So this top level is the listing. That's what you want. Okay, and click Update and save your changes. Okay, now if I jump back over here and I refresh my Explore page, it's business as usual. Clicking on this, you can see business as usual, but let's see what happens now when you click to go to see the listing. It doesn't work. So let me go back into here. It's probably something to do with this little bug. So let me just change this to, I'll just choose something random, a post, and save. I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to choose listing and save. Okay, let's refresh our page again. Still not doing it. It could be caching at this point and not actually a bug that that same bug with the plugin. So let me go ahead and clear my cache. Let's go back over here, refresh. There we go. Okay, so the bug with the plugin, like I said, they're going to fix it probably today. So all you do is you just go in. We'll set up another one just to show you again. But here's the meat and potatoes. This is what we're after. You go into any listing, doesn't matter which one. You know, whether you click here, whether you click on the map, or wherever. You're going to get this restricted page, and then you can just say whatever you want. This can be fully built with Elementor, Gutenberg, whatever you want to do, and just say, hey, this is protected content. In order to see it, you know, sign up for a membership. And then click the sign up button and take them into your sales funnel. And then this down here just says, hey, if you're already a member and you feel like you're a paying member and you feel like you should be seeing this, then just make sure you're logged in. Okay, so pretty cool stuff. Let's go ahead and look at that bug in quotes again. So let's go ahead and just trash this, and we'll start over here. So we see here on our Explore page, everything is working. Let's bring that back away. Let's just run through this again. First, we'll run through it with, and I'll show you the bug. So let's do listing, login users. They have to be an administrator or a customer. We're going to do a redirect to our custom protected content page. And we're just going to choose the top level listing. Again, like I said, this is where the bug comes in. And add and save. Clear our cache. Oh, it's actually working. So it may not have been a bug all along. It may just have been a caching issue. So this is working perfectly as expected. Okay, so let's look at, this is a little outside of what Andrea asked, but a little bonus content. So let's say you've got a blog post, like you've got other content that you want to lock down. It all works the same. So let's say you want to lock down your posts. See how we can get to this post, no problem. Let's create another one. So add a restriction, call this one posts, administrator, customer, protection. We're going to do the same redirect. We're going to use our same page and is a post. Save our changes and then make sure I clear that cache, because I actually think now that it all along it wasn't a bug and it was just the caching. Okay, let's go to blog and then posts. Okay, so that was the bug that they had mentioned in the reply. It has to do specifically with the post, not anything else. So what I mean by that is it's this particular content type, the posts. So that's why listings were working just fine. Cool. Okay, so to fix this, to get around the bug, just choose anything under post. So let's do selected post and update and save. Let's go right back into posts. We'll change that back to top level posts, update, save, clear our cache. Let's try this again. There you go. So that's the little bug. Has nothing to do with listings. So listings will work just fine. No problem there. But you can see there, you can get really granular. You can not just post with like a specific post, like if a post is in a category. So maybe one of your post categories is premium content, for example. You can lock that down. Anyway, this is just a really nice, super lightweight solution that's free for getting people into your sales funnel and further monetizing your MyListing site. I hope you found this helpful, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.